All right, Bryan's 53 Buick. Was having trouble getting it to start the other day. So we're gonna check the battery first, load test. It's a fairly new battery, 4 of 22. You know, that's like 2 months old, but been surprised before. All right, let her charge. She's got 13.1 volts now. Should be good to go. Person, you wanna get this stuff out of here and put the charger on the floor, please? I'll put the top back here on the old battery. Get her hooked up. I'm gonna need that half. Hook this stuff up, and we'll fire it up. Drive it. 1/2-inch socket or wrench. All right, battery's charged. Got her started. The battery stuff put away, nice. Buick. All right, let's go for a ride in the Buick. All right. Ow! This thing sucks. It's funny, the garage door opener fell off and hit me. Why are you on your phone when you're supposed to be working?
I'm driving.
Okay, so we got up here to the corner and hit the brakes, and they weren't releasing. I had to pull the pedal back up with my foot. That's weird. Grabby little sons of bitches. And the alignment seems off.